Good morning, everyone. This is a video for Kathy Pinkham, who is Brandy's mother. And she had been commenting quite a bit on my videos and watching. She watches every one that I do, and of course she watches Brandy's. So I wanted to send her a little thank you gift. And what I made her is a steampunk box. Now, she does steampunk, so I was kind of a little intimidated by that, but I said, what the heck, I'll just go ahead and do it. But I do steampunk a little different, of course. Most steampunk is covered in black, and then you add metallic colors to it. So I did a little different, and this is what I come up with. It's just a regular tin from the Dollar Tree or wherever you buy your tins. This was a Christmas tin, and I redid it, and this is the front of it. And I put some dangles on it. This is called dragon scales, and a key dangle with a key and a wrench, and just another little dangle. This is a very pretty knob I put on here with the colors that I'm using, and then some corner pieces all the way out. Now this piece here, this gold piece, is actually a mirror, and I covered the mirror up with this very pretty pendant, and that's what I hung the chains from. And this is some wire, and there's a butterfly in there, and just all kinds of little things, and earring backing. And I've got chain throughout, and way in the back here is a piece of a wrist off of a watch, and some other little squirrels, a little bell, gears, more chain, and this is a metal flower, and this little heart says someone special, I think. Yeah, someone special, and a filigree piece. So this is my version of steampunk. I just hate to cover all this color up with black and then try and recreate it with the metallics, which I do have on the box. So, and I decoupaged this. This is actually printer paper that I printed off this design, and it went on really, really nice. And then everything's got a coating of triple thick, so it should last a very long time. And all you have to do to open the box is pull on the lid. And this is full of goodies, and I've added some lace and doilies and an embellishment box. If she likes to make a video, I'll let her do that and show you what's inside. And I'm also going to include a nice assortment of doilies that she can use. I don't know if she's into fabric things, but you can also use this on steampunk. You cover it up just like everything else. It gets stiff. So that's my little box for Miss Kathy. I hope you like it, Kathy. And this video will not be posted until she receives her box. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you visit Kathy or leave a comment for her. I don't know if she has a YouTube, but I hope she likes. Talk to y'all soon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you all for showing. Bye-bye.